Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Messages to Facebook Leads for Your News Agency. So I'm running a news agency, and to promote my agency I'm running lead ads, and I wish that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we have to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use WhatsApp. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to understand that how can we send an automated WhatsApp message to all our Facebook leads for our news agency. So I'm running a news agency named Mega News, and to promote my agency I'm running lead ads, and I wish that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically all my leads should receive an automated WhatsApp message. For this we have to integrate our Facebook with our WhatsApp. To integrate this we are using Pabbly Connect, and as you can see that this is the landing page of Pabbly, and over here we have two options. One is sign up for free and the another one is sign in. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I am an existing user, so I am going to click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook, WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on Access Now. After clicking on Access Now, it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation we are going to click on this button right over here which says Create Workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp Automation, and I want to name my workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp for News Agency. And after that I am going to click on Create. After clicking on Create, it is opening my workflow window, and to start with the automation we'll use trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as all of you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers following the command. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of the trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application, as you all know, which is Facebook Lead Ads. And then the trigger event as New Lead Instant. I am going to select New Lead Instant because I want that whenever I receive a new lead, instantly the WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. But if you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can select New Lead too. After selecting my desired trigger event, I am going to click on Connect. And as soon as I click on Connect, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook Lead Ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on Select Existing Connection. But I am going to click on Add a New Connection. And then I am going to click on Connect with Facebook Lead Ads. I'll select my account and click on Continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account to our Pabbly's workflow. After that, it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, we are going to select Mega News. So we'll search for Mega News. We'll select our desired page. And for the lead gen form, I'm going to select News Agency because I want only the leads of this particular form, that is News Agency, should receive an automated WhatsApp message. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms. And if you want to learn how to create a new lead gen form, you can check out our YouTube channel. After this, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As soon as I click on Save and Send Test Request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a dummy response. We'll open Meta for developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for developers, we'll go on More and then Tools. After that, we'll select Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And over here you can see it is asking me the page and the form. So for my page I am going to select Mega News. And for the form I am going to select News Agency. After that I am going to click on Preview Form. And now it is asking me to fill in the details. So I'm going to enter the dummy details. And the dummy mobile number. After entering all the details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our test lead has been sent to our workflow. So we'll go to our Pabbly's account and workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the lead. Here's the dummy name that we entered, the dummy email and the dummy phone number. So this means that our trigger step is successful, and now we'll move on to our action step. For our action step, our action application would be WhatsApp Cloud API. And our action event would be send template message. After that, we are going to click on connect. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection. And over here, it is asking me the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To get all this, I'll open Meta for Developers. And over here you can see that I have already created a API setup, and if you want to learn how to create your API setup, you can check out our YouTube channel. And here we can find the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'll just copy all these and paste it in my Pabbly's workflow. But as you can see that this is a temporary access token and this will expire in 23 hours. So if you want to create a permanent access token, you can check out our YouTube channel for that. So I'll just copy the details and paste it in my Pabbly's workflow. After pasting all the details, I'm going to click on save. And you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name. So to let you know about the template name, we'll again open Meta for Developers. And over here you can see it is saying to create your own message template, click here. After clicking there, you can see that it is opening my message templates. And over here are all the templates that I have created in my account. And if you wish to create a new template, you can click on create template button over here. But I'm going to select one from here only, that is Facebook leads message. So I'll go to my workflow and select Facebook lead message over here. After selecting my template name, Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this. We'll just map the recipient mobile number and the body field 1. So mapping means inserting the data from the previous step, and as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from our trigger application response only. So over here we'll map the recipient mobile number and body field 1. To let you know what body field 1 means, I'll just show you my template. So we'll go to Meta for Developers. And yes, you can see this is my template that I have created, and over here you can see that there's 1 in curly brackets. This 1 in curly brackets means that this is a variable and this will change with every new lead. And I want that with every new lead, the name of my lead should be replaced by this 1 so that all my leads get a more personalized message. So this 1 will be dynamic and we'll select the 1 as the name of our lead. So we'll map the full name of our lead over here. And then we are going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on save and send test request, I'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response received. So now I have replaced the dummy mobile number with my original mobile number, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I click on save and send test request, I have received a positive response and it is saying message status accepted. This means that our WhatsApp has received a WhatsApp message. So we'll go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. So we'll open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a message with hello demo user. This is the dummy name that we entered, and over here is all the templated message and thank you and regards. This means that our workflow is successful. So we'll just try the workflow once again. So we'll go to our lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview the form or create a new lead. And now I'm going to select the page and the form again. So I'll select Mega News and the form as News Agency, and then I'm going to click on Preview Form. Now it is asking me to please fill this form. So I'll just fill this form with the dummy details again. After entering all the details again, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And again it is saying your test lead has been sent. So this time we'll not go to our workflow, we'll directly go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new lead or not. We don't have to go on our workflow again and click on save and send test request. We'll directly open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a new message with hello test user. This is the new dummy name that we entered. So this means that our workflow is successful. We'll just summarize the workflow once. So for the trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. Then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. We generated a dummy lead. Pabbly captured the lead. After that, we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected send template message. Then we connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And then we selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. After that, we mapped the recipient mobile number and body field 1 that was dynamic. And then again, we clicked on save and send test request and we received a WhatsApp message. This means that our automation is successful, and if you have any query related to this workflow or this video, you can directly comment on this video, and for your reference, I'll just share the workflow link in the description box so that you can clone the workflow and start your automation. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.